would just brief you that since yesterday morning, early morning, large number of Kuki militants started firing on commando posts which are located at 3 locations in PDF insurgents operating at More, and maybe some reinforcement from Burma side also may attack the state forces at More. So with that, the forces were prepared, and from large number of days, these kind of attacks were coming. But attacks were coming from far areas, they were not from nearby areas. But yesterday, it started coming from nearby areas. Assam Rifle, along with SDOs, along with CDOs and BSF, they tried their best to thwart the attempt. But meanwhile, one commando boy, whose name is Mr. W. Samarjit Maitei, he got head injury. He is of 6th Manipur Rifles. He got head injury, and he, by the time he was shifted, he was declared brought dead in Assam Rifles campus. Along with that, 2 more personnel got injury into that. Then forces kept on firing. After some lull of incidents, some lull of firing, during the afternoon side, another boy got hit who was 10 IRB, namely T. Kuldiep Singh. He also got martyred at that place itself. When he was trying to come out of his vehicle, he was also hit. Along with that, 3 more personnel got injury. In the evening also, a Pompey bomb landed on the nearby site of the campus of SBI, and 1 personnel, Kuman Premanand, got injured. This Kuman Premanand, who got injured, he got injury in his stomach. In the night only, with the help of doctors and with the help of Casper, he was shifted in some rifle vehicle from that place to Imphal, and he has been operated upon, and he is doing well at this moment. So this incident was there. Soon after these incidents came to light, the forces were rushed to tackle the issue, and they tackled also in a big way. While attempt was being made only on commandos, so commandos were running short of ammunition. Ammunition was also shared by Assam Rifle as well as BSF, and they kept on tackling the insurgents. Later, by evening, all forces combined together launched their massive attack on them, and then they were pushed back. Meanwhile, we also thought that other forces and some reinforcement should be sent. So reinforcement was thought of 2 companies of BSF and 2 columns of army, as well as 4 Caspers to be sent, so that in Caspers, the forces who are there, along with joint forces like Commando, then BSF, and then Assam Rifle, together can create the quick action teams, and they can be located at different places in More, along with all other Caspers which are located there, so that the fighting can be tackled better. So this morning, all these 4 Caspers, as well as 1 company of BSF, 2 columns of army have been sent by road, and by now they have reached More. 1 more helicopter was requisitioned from MHA, and MHA directed the Air Force. 1 chopper came yesterday night. It was thought to be sent in the night itself, but there were no night landing facility at More. That is how it could not go in the night. But early in the morning from 6 o'clock, it is doing sorties, and IG Kabir has been sent to supervise the operations and supervise the joint command center, so that the combined operations and combined dominations of the area can take place. This has been done, and this has happened. That helicopter is doing sorties, and till now it has done, I think, more than 4 sorties or 5 sorties today. Moreover, we have taken steps so that all forces can be put together and take action at that particular place. The various kind of coordination meeting was held here, and And it was also decided that because commandos location, all these three locations which I mentioned, is at a almost subsided area, in a ball area. So, and militants, if they fire from higher locations, they are sitting ducks and sitting targets. So we have decided that the commandos should be located in certain positions from where they can themselves tackle the militants. The joint operations has been identified. The IG has been sent there and IG has held the meeting. और अभी शाम से ही operations वहाँ पर चालू हो गए हैं. Frisking and checking of the area and the domination of hills around the this thing More has also been taken up by the other security forces. So these were the incidents which took place in More. Along with that, because of the incident in More, some issues which caught up nearby, in which one incident happened in Khanga Gok at Thawal, in which huge number of miscreants tried to storm 3rd IRB and loot the armory. But that attempt was spotted. Later they was chased from there, and after chasing them from there, they went to SP's office and then they tried to snatch arms there. That was also thwarted. DC's office they tried to go. After that, they came back to SP's office and exchange of fire took place, in which 3 BSF Jawan got injury. They were also shifted to the hospital. The chasing as well as the combing operation in the area is going on, that who all had those kind of incidents. One more incident took place near Kuldiep Singh. Yesterday at about 10:30 hours, some Kuki militants fired upon approximately 50 rounds towards Sindha and Khadan Bandiya and in Kangpokpi district, and around 2 persons got injury in that. One person out of them got deceased also. This person had been found on the hillside. This is another incident which had taken place. Then in Sagolwang, there has been firing between Kuki militants, fired by Kuki militants towards the downside, and 2 persons, 2 Meitei volunteers, received injury. So there is actually heightened activity since few days in and around the hills as well as in the More area. Just now also we got an information that in Vishnupur area there is a reservoir nearby. In that reservoir, 3 workers were working near Naga village, and some Kuki militants came from higher side and they fired upon them. They were seriously injured, and I am told some of them might have succumbed to the injuries also. So these heightened activities are cause of concern. Forces everywhere have been alerted, and they are trying to tackle the issue, but somehow or the other, Kuki militants are taking very active role in targeting the innocent civilians and the security forces all over. So we are trying our best to tackle whatever forces are